Suffering from acne scars can really affect someone's self-confidence.
We met a young bride who wanted to find a solution for her acne scars before her wedding day. She met with a local plastic surgeon, Dr. Paul Stanislaw, and had great results with something she never knew was possible. Like any bride, Melissa Story wanted her wedding day to be perfect, but she was worried about her acne scars.
I think about my face, and that's the first thing that people see and the first thing people would see in pictures, and I was worried that I would be so focused on my face that I wouldn't enhance or notice the beauty and everything else that was happening that day. Before, it was very uneven and very bumpy and very red, and I went to makeup to cover it up, and I was very insecure about it because I felt like it wasn't normal and everyone else around me had this beautiful clear skin.
She had no idea she could improve her scars with something most people have heard of for filling wrinkles. Here at the Stanislaw Plastic Surgery Center in Avon, Dr. Paul Stanislaw, a double board certified plastic surgeon, uses Restylane injections to fill each tiny acne scar on Melissa's face.
It's the most cost effective. It's the simplest. It actually makes a difference, a huge difference. I mean, I see people who have spent thousands of dollars on lasers and other types of machines to try to make their acne scarring get better, and none of it works.
I had a lot of acne when I was younger and went to many different dermatologists and tried many different topical creams. I tried over-the-counter medication, prescription medication, and it felt like I had just gone through everything and tried everything, and I had sort of just given up.
So did you even know that there were such things that you could get rid of scars?
No, I had no idea.
The process is time-consuming and takes an expert hand.
It's little injections into every acne depression, every acne scar, so it takes a long time, and Dr. Stanislaw is very thorough in doing the procedure, so he takes his time in making sure every depression and acne scar is filled.
But Melissa says the results are so worth it. Here's a look at her before and after the treatment. The results will last about 18 months, and Melissa says the pain wasn't that bad at all.
All the years of having acne and kind of that, it sounds dramatic, but that emotional pain didn't compare to the pain of the procedure.
A topical numbing cream is applied before. Patients can expect tiny marks around the injections for a few days, and redness can last for a week or so, but can be easily covered with makeup. You can see even up close. There's a big difference in her acne scars before and after the treatment.
It's never going to be perfect. It's never going to be baby fresh skin, but everyone's been happy. No one's not been happy, and it gives you the best results for the value.
You're happy, right?
I am very happy. I would not leave the house before without makeup on. It was just, I needed to get up, I need to put my makeup on and get ready for the day, and that was my everyday routine. I did not leave the house to work out without makeup. I never left the house without makeup. And now I feel confident in waking up, putting my contacts in, and throwing on something and heading out the door, and it's just night and day.
Her friends and family see the difference in Melissa.
My parents especially, because they've seen me go through all the doctor's appointments when I was younger and everything I've tried, and they've seen my disappointment in that. So now they look at me and I think they notice how much more confident I am.
Dr. Stanislaw says the Restylane injections are a great solution for many who have acne scars. He's never had anyone have a negative reaction.
It's bioidentical to the same stuff that's in your body. So your eyeball's filled with a clear gel that you see through. It's called hyaluronic acid. And actually, you have enzymes in your body that make it and have enzymes in your body that break it down. This stuff is bioidentical to that stuff.
As a kindergarten teacher, Melissa is feeling better about parent-teacher conferences this year.
I was very insecure in meeting parents, and I know it might sound silly, but the first thing people do is they look at your face. And so I was very insecure in going into teaching and thinking, oh my goodness, these parents are going to look at me and perhaps judge me. And now that's one less thing. I know it sounds so silly, but having acne and dealing with those insecurities and not being so confident, it just makes a world of difference.
Melissa was married this October and credits her treatments with Dr. Stanislaw as one of the reasons her day was so perfect.
Our wedding venue is a very rustic venue. There's beautiful fall foliage in the background, and it was just the perfect day, the perfect weather, and I was in love with my dress. It made me feel so confident, and like I said, I never once thought about, oh, my skin is the standout in this. I just felt so beautiful that day. It was just the best feeling in the world.
And if you want to learn more about Dr. Paul Stanislaw's treatment for acne scars, you can visit his website at stanislawmd.com. The Stanislaw Plastic Surgery Center is located right in Avon.